I'm Rhian Pierce and this is Plas Dolben farm in Llangynhafal. We're a hill farm on the Chwilio range and it's a beef and sheep farm, so we currently breed about 350 Llyns cross Welsh and we buy in about 30 Belgian Blue cross calves each autumn. The ethos of the farm business is to keep it quite self-contained, so we tend to do most of the work here ourselves, and also the less is more approach, so rather than doing too many things, doing the things we do really well. I've got a keen interest in conservation and the environment, so I'm always trying to strive to improve the conservation credentials of the farm. Another part of the farm ethos for me is to open up Plas Dolben to the general public. So I regularly hold primary school visits here and I've held Open Farm Sunday here. I just believe that there's so many people in today's society don't have access to space or to see animals alive and close up, that's something I definitely want to continue. So my dad is pretty much at retirement age and he'd like to step back completely. So I need someone else to help me run the farm. Opportunities for a share farmer at Plas Dolben would be, I'd say, within 5 years that they would have almost full control and be doing all of the daily jobs on the farms, whether that's feeding or fencing, haymaking, general farm duties. I'm really keen that it's for someone young or someone who doesn't come from a family farm. I think this is a great opportunity for someone who can't afford to buy a farm. They'll be able to buy in slowly through the shire farming process. So initially it would be part-time, so both myself and the share partner would work part-time alongside each other. And then over time, the share partner would take on more and I will do less. I think a share farming partner would work better than a farm worker for two reasons. So personally, I'd love to invest in the future in a new entrant into farming, but also for the share farming partner, I think they will feel pride and commitment to Plas Dolben in the same way that I do, rather than a worker who may be watching their hours or have other jobs to go to, so not quite focused on the job in hand at Plas Dolben. Characteristics I'd like to see in a new share farmer is obviously someone who's enthusiastic. Organised is quite important. I run quite a tight ship here and I feel like the young person needs to have a good grasp of time management. Livestock handling skills are really important to me in that they need to be a quiet, calm and kind person. I think that's then reflected in the stock. They are quiet and they move quietly around the farm and it's a much less stressed scenario. I'm passionate about sustainability and I'd like the share partner to respect that, and if they don't have the understanding about it when they first start, that's fine, but to listen and learn over the first couple of years of working together to understand where I'm coming from. So yeah, we are ready to start looking for new applicants ASAP, please.